I'm not gonna lie. I feel like yeah. I feel like shit right now. I'm not gonna lie. But today is day 14. Road to consistency. Yada 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 yada. So what do we see so far? 69 points. Bearish in the Asian session. Um, Same thing. Um, about 50 points bullish in the London protraction, which indicates bearish. Let me actually count this with it. And then London protraction bullish. Then we move bullish. I mean, I want to see bullish today, but I do need a low key. I need to take a quick little poopy. So give me like 5 minutes. If it takes longer than that, I'll speed up the clip. I'll be right back. That took way longer than I expected, but all right. I'm definitely gonna have to speed up that clip. But regardless, price is just kind of moving, moving. Days like this. Oh well, uh, I did miss the opening entry, which was down here. Then we start moving like this. 30-minute just closed. Technically just closed because I'm delayed, but 30-minute closed pretty high up. Which is kind of good actually. So yeah, now I'm looking for anything down here. I have my breakfast here. Just a few brownies. This is still unhealthy, but I don't feel like making eggs. I don't feel like making a pancake. I don't feel like making food. Hmm. Is that an SMT? That is an SMT. Okay. Okay. So Dow Jones swept London lows. Nasdaq swept this low, and S&P didn't sweep any lows. So I would say it's safe to assume to be bullish. Still, what I would wait for is something to retrace down into these levels, though. I'm not doom scrolling. I need to just create a to-do list. What else do I need to do? Trying to think of what else I need to do. Ooh, nice little drop. I don't know. If I think of anything later, I'll do it. I feel like shit today. I'm not gonna lie. I feel so sick. I have an itchy throat. Can't breathe. I don't know. What are the chances that we move down this far right now, right? When candles close like this, I don't really have a lot of confidence in it. When it's like a big pullback like this, and then we close back here, and then we don't close above it, above that next candle wick. I don't know. Wow. No wonder why that one was so big. That was two in one. They're combined. What the heck? Hmm. Hmm. See, if I were to take something like this right here, right now, I wouldn't be confident. I believe that this would take this out immediately because of this candle. But we'll see. Hmm. I think of new ways to just record and trade and be entertaining. Especially because these candles take a long time to do what I actually want to see. There we go. Oh, I didn't even check news. News. Okay, there's nothing. So if we moved really slow today, it would make sense. That's the wrong tab. No, I knew it was gonna edge it. I didn't think it was gonna edge it that much. I wanted it to come up a little tiny bit more. Womp womp. This one's already in 50%, I believe. Oh, no, it edged it. See. It could be going off of this. Okay, so this hit 50% of this swing, but not the full 30-minute swing. So we're gonna see what happens here. If we see like strong move to break structure again, bullish, then we would take bullish. But if we react off of this bearish or fair value gap and we move lower, then we would wait until we're down at this 50%. So we closed above it. Now what do we want to see? It looks like the order block is holding strong. With a move like this to go bullish right afterwards is just not gonna happen. So yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So we come lower into levels down here, more than likely. Um, I'm expecting us to maybe be around first presentation, maybe take out this low, and then we move higher. Is that at the low? Oh, that's basically at the low. What I would be waiting for is something like this with stops at this and a target around here. Let me see. Asia moved 69 points. So 100, 150 to 175 wouldn't be bad. Yeah, that wouldn't be too bad actually. Just there. Now, this is what I'm predicting, right? But if we reject off of the 50% just right here, we just tap into this and then we reject off of it, and we show structure to retrace and then pull up again, I would re-enter. I would enter another one there. So what I would do is right here, just pop 10. I'm 10 minutes behind. I'm not even going to try to do that, actually. That's stupid. I would actually give this a little bit of room here. Maybe like to 27. Just because we could fill this fair value gap, and I don't want to be at the edge of it if it fills and then moves away. Right? Oh. We seem to be reacting. Nice pullback again, down lower. But we do have a rejection wick off of that candle pullback, so could potentially continue higher here. Let's see. S&P 500 is following structure. Oh my god. Dow Jones is sweeping high. Wow, Nasdaq and S&P 500 are in a range. Okay. I guess so. Okay, starts to move away from this position. Like I said, we kind of just jabbed into the 50%. So now what are we looking for? I'm going to keep this position here as a just in case measure, right? I'm going to just move it farther over to here, and then I'm going to take another position right here. So if we touch into this level, we're in. Don't edge me now. There we go. We're in 10 contracts right there, targeting 110 points. That's not really what I want to see. I want to see maybe more like 150 at least. But let's say we'll do a not hard stop, but the second we get up here, we'll probably take half profits and then draw stops up to here. Unless we want to take out these lows again for a third time. Is it because of that SMT? Does that SMT really matter? It's Dow Jones. Oh. I don't know. We'll see. Unless we start ranging here. If we start consolidating here, I'm actually just gonna end myself. Because what are the chances I get in a trade and then we range in this position for like an hour? I would lose my mind. Like I would actually just lose my mind at that point. This is realistically a propulsion block because we hit the order block here. So now we wait and see what happens. If we start ranging, it's gonna suck. Yeah, for some reason I get a feeling we might start ranging. We either range for an hour or we range for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then we just start popping out. Oh, or we just take out my low. I get a feeling this is gonna rage bait me. Ooh, we took out the low on S&P 500. Can we close higher so that NASDAQ makes an SMT in technicality and then we just push higher and higher and higher? Is that potential? Is that low-key kind of aura? Oh my god, I'm pushing 20, bro. Oh my god, I'm pushing 20. No, I think that would just take me out. Okay, whatever. What is that? 530, so 560, 570. I lose about 570 there. Is this still? Yeah, it is still. Okay, so now we're in the second position. If we lose this one too, that's a band on the day, and I'm low-key kind of trash. Profitable on the week, about 500, but not that good. 50% win rate on the week. Now, if we break lower than this, bro, I might have to pop one of these. Pop one of these. I'm not gonna lie. Play a 2-to-1 risk reward. Nah. We'll see what happens. There's still potential that we do just completely reverse here, and structure sucks, but maybe I'll be able to learn something from it. Potentially. What are we saying? All right, no, yeah. I was hoping maybe we could see some slow motion, slowly just moving down, but nah. I mean, we just got some quick motions going down. Yeah, probably gonna take my stop out. With the amount of velocity we just got there. Unless we can close as a bullish candle, which is not gonna happen. Okay. So that is nice, I guess. Um, is it because my stops were too tight? Maybe at this point I should have waited. Yeah, I should have waited at this point for more confirmation, like more bullish candles and stuff. This is currently my last line of defense, so I'm pulling stops up to the low. Literally saving myself $10, but whatever. I need this to close as a very strong bullish candle. Like no wick on the top. Like no, like engulfing at least 2 to 3 candles. Okay. We engulf 2 candles and there's not that much of a wick, but there is a bearish fair value gap here and first presentation above that could just ruin my week. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah. If we can close above first presentation, that would be nice. Or at least above this candle wick right here. If we can get above this candle wick, this would be nice. Or above this candle body. Oh my god, I actually feel like shit, bro. I cannot breathe. My throat is itchy. Oh, we keep reacting off of that. That's not good. That is not good. I'm just gonna look at my phone, so if we lose, you know, I'm not gonna feel it. Oh my god. What is that candle, bro? That is great pullback. That is a beautiful pull up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice, and then we pull back up above the 50%. Crazy to me that this is only like 40 points, 50 points. Crazy to me that I'm only targeting 120 or 160 actually, huh? But I did lose 30, so. What I'm gonna do, because we have such a strong bearish move here, at this 50%, I take half of my position out. That way I'm already up profit. And I'm not risking much. So if I were to take out 50% here, how much? 227 or 277 times 2.5. Yeah, so I would be up 200 on the day with this, because it's 700 if I take out up here, about 700, and I lost about 540, 530, whatever the fuck I lost. I don't remember, but it would put me up 700. Or I can close all the way up here for the full position and be up a thou wow. Yeah, 1,300. And now we have a pullback. Now we're gonna wait and watch. Wait and watch. What a move, bruh. We move so strong, bullish. We get another strong bearish candle. Another SMT right here, potentially, if we don't move lower. Yeah. Get. We do end up taking out that low. I don't know. If we lose this trade, we lose this trade. I don't like that. Why? Why would you just okay? Yeah, okay. Got a friggin' 30, 40 point candle. Oh, I love it. 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 We didn't even hit 50%. We just going down lower. Oh my. Oh, we took the low on S&P 500, so that's another SMT divergence though. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. We shall see. Yeah, I think I just get stopped out here. I'm not gonna lie. This is just very strange, very strange. Very, very strange. I mean, I guess it's because these took out the highs, but still, I don't. It might be GG Raps. Might be Raps. Might be Raps. Yeah, GG's. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We didn't even hit anything really. We just go down and down and down, I guess. There was just no reason to do that. Outside of this Dow Jones taking out high. I hate Dow Jones. I hate Dow Jones. Dow Jones always does some bullshit. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop for the day. Um, total what I lost. The first one. First one I lost. So 135. $75. So I lost 1,300. So I'm still positive only by 200 on the week. That really pisses me off. Oh my god, I don't even understand why we did that. Oh, I still want to see this close bullish. I just don't understand what this whole thing was. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm just gonna end off on the day. I'll record a trade journal later. That really pissed me off. This move is not making any sense right now. We break and then break again. But alright. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna just record a trade journal later.